Storm season is approaching. Storm season is here. We've already had our first severe weather of the year, and just wanted to share a couple of reminders, a few ideas that you could be working on around the home, just what you need on your honey-do list. So first off, I'd start outside and look at some of the exterior issues around your home. Make sure your gutters, your downspouts are all in good repair. Also, a good idea to look at your drains. If you have French drains, you want to make sure they're not clogged or that they're going to work to their full effectiveness. Lawn furniture, anything out in your backyard that could be blown around or could be turned into a projectile. Much better to be proactive and look for these things ahead of the storm than to be reactive and be running outside when the storm is hitting. Don't forget to bring your dogs in either. So as we move inside, you've got some issues inside too. We want to make sure that you're looking at your alarms, your batteries, that you've got everything ready to work. Maybe have battery operated transistor radio just in case you lose power. And then finally, something that we always are aware of but often put off is to have a video record, to have a photographic record of our home and all of the contents and all the furniture and all of our belongings. And it doesn't take very long, but to do this in an organized and systematic way, go through your home, video record, photograph all your contents, all your possessions. So goodness, if something were to happen, you're going to have a great record to share with your insurance carrier.